ChatGPT, Claude, AI agents. It's all the same one idea. One paper, 2017. Let's start where it started. Read this. You knew, instantly, that it means the street, not the animal. You didn't sound it out. You didn't think. You just knew. And watch, change one word and the meaning moves with it. Nobody ever wrote down a rule for that. You just feel it. Until 2017, no computer on Earth could do what you just did. Then 8 researchers had one idea, and it became GPT. It became Claude. It became almost everything we now call AI. It's called attention, and it's so much simpler than the hype makes it sound. Let's take it apart, and by the end, build it ourselves. This is the paper. 8 pages, published in 2017, with a title that sounds almost cocky. Attention is all you need. Today, it's one of the most cited papers in the history of science. And this is the diagram everyone shows you to explain it. Encoders, decoders, multi-head attention, positional encoding. It looks terrifying. So here's my promise. By the end of this video, every single one of these boxes will make sense. We'll do it in 3 questions. Why was this paper written? How does it actually work? And how would you build it yourself? Let's tear it down. To understand the breakthrough, you have to feel the problem. For decades, this is how machines read, one word at a time, left to right. Like reading a book through a slot that only shows you a single word. Which causes a very human problem, forgetting. By the time the machine reaches it, the word animal, 50 words back, has almost faded away. The further apart 2 words are, the weaker the thread between them. And it's slow. Word 50 can't be read until words 1 through 49 are done. All that expensive hardware, just waiting its turn. So in 2017, 8 researchers at Google asked a question that sounds almost too simple. What if the machine could see the whole sentence at once and just let the words talk to each other? Now here's the picture most people have of attention. You imagine the AI focusing, a spotlight swinging to the one important word like you'd point a flashlight. That picture is wrong. And seeing why it's wrong is the whole idea. Attention doesn't pick one word. Every word lights up, all at once, just at different strengths. It's not a spotlight. It's a room where everyone is talking, and the real question is who you choose to believe. Let's step inside. Meet it, the neediest word in the sentence. Because on its own, it means nothing. It's a placeholder, standing there asking one question. Who am I? That question has a name. It's called a query. Literally, what this word is looking for. Every word gets to ask its own. And every other word is holding up 2 things. A label, here's what I am, call that its key. And something to contribute, here's what I'd tell you, its value. So it turns to the room and asks its question. And 2 words answer loudest, animal and street. Which one wins? It depends on the rest of the sentence. The word wide tips it. An animal isn't too wide, but a street can be. So street's answer gets louder. Its line to it grows thick and bright. And just like that, it stops being a question mark. It takes on the meaning of street. The word figured out who it was by listening to the room. Those loudness levels, they're just numbers. How strongly each word listens to each other word. That whole grid of numbers, that's attention. But I've been simplifying. To a transformer, a word isn't letters at all. It's a list of numbers. A vector. A single point in a vast space of meaning where words with similar meaning sit close together. King and queen are neighbors. Street and road are neighbors. Every word starts as a point in this space. And those 3 roles, the question, the label, the answer, they aren't given to the words. Each word's vector gets multiplied by 3 matrices: query, key, and value. Matrices the model learned by reading almost everything humans have ever written. Those learned matrices are where the intelligence actually lives. To measure how much it should listen to street, you take the dot product of its query and street's key, which is just geometry for how aligned are these 2 arrows. Do that for every pair of words and you get a grid. This grid, the attention pattern, is the real thing everyone means when they say the word attention. Run each row through softmax so it adds up to 1. And now every word has a recipe, how much of every other word to absorb. Each word pulls in the values it cares about, and its vector shifts. It literally moves through meaning space toward street. It has absorbed its context. Now, I'm going to show you the actual formula from the paper. Don't flinch, you already understand every piece of it. Query times key, every word's question checked against every word's label. That's just who matches whom. Run that through something called softmax, a fancy word for turn these into percentages that add up to 1, the loudness levels. Then multiply by the values. Blend in what everyone actually said, weighted by how much you believe them. That's it. That's the equation that rewired the world. One more move, and it's beautiful. The researchers didn't run this conversation once. They ran it 8 times in parallel, 8 rooms, each listening for something different. One room tracks who did what, another which word points to which. Then they combine what all 8 heard. 2 footnotes, and we've got the whole machine. Because the room doesn't know word order, each word wears a tag saying where it sits. And you stack this, the conversation, then a little private thinking, over and over, 6 times deep. Stack it, scale it, and you have a transformer. So how hard is this to actually build? Here's the entire heart of it. Scaled dot product attention in about 12 lines. Watch the labels. Query, key, value. The same 3 we just met. Multiply queries by keys to get the scores. Softmax them into weights. Multiply by the values. That's the whole engine. Not a metaphor for the code, that is the code. And when we run our sentence through it, look, the row for it lights up brightest on street. Real numbers. The same answer you got in half a second without thinking. But let's be honest about what we did and didn't do. The architecture is this simple. Making it actually smart took the original team 3.5 days on 8 GPUs, trained on a huge slice of the internet. We're showing you the engine. We're not retraining the whole car. Now zoom out. One little room, listening. Stack thousands of them, feed them nearly everything humans have ever written, and those rooms start doing something that looks unnervingly like understanding. That's GPT. That's Claude. All of it. The same conversation you just watched, running at a scale that's hard to hold in your head. But there's a catch, and it's the reason this channel exists. Every word talks to every word. 10 words, 100 connections. 1,000 words, 1,000,000. The cost grows with the square of the length. That bill comes due the moment your sentences get long. And how the field beat that is a whole other teardown. Attention is all you need until the sentence gets long. Next time, we tear down the trick that made it fast enough to change everything. Flash attention. If this made the machine finally make sense, subscribe and come build the next piece with me.